Withdrawing funds from Cash App is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to successfully transfer your money. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to the balance. On the home screen, locate your Cash App balance displayed at the top of the screen. Tap on it to proceed. Step 3. Select Withdraw. After tapping your balance, you will see options for adding or withdrawing funds. Choose the Cash Out option to initiate the withdrawal process. Step 4. Enter a withdrawal amount. Input the amount of money you wish to withdraw. Make sure it does not exceed your available balance, then tap Cash Out to continue. Step 5. Choose transfer speed. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, your funds will be on their way to your linked bank account or debit card. Always double check your details to ensure a smooth transaction.